all the diamonds in this world that mean anything to me are conjured up by wind and sunlight sparkling on the sea. I ran aground in a harbor town, lost the taste for being free. Thank God he sent some gull-chased ship to carry me to sea. 2,000 years and half a world away, died